guys, welcome to BuzzTech. Here we explore the latest trends and developments in the tech industry, from cutting-edge technology to the latest inventions discoveries. This channel is for you if you're interested in the most recent technology, news, and research. But before we move forward, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Did you know 68% of European campsites are beautifully nestled in the countryside? There's a special atmosphere that draws plenty of people who'd love to share the experience with friends. Coleman, a well-known American camping brand, has an excellent solution. They offer interconnecting tents that can comfortably seat 3 or even up to 6 people. For instance, it's a breeze to link 3 smaller tents to a 6-person tent. With a variety of options available, you're sure to find the perfect setup to meet your camping needs. Don't worry about the weather. These tents have been thoroughly tested to withstand winds over 15 meters per second. Plus, they feature WeatherTech floors designed to keep water out. To top it off, they've also come equipped with a rain awning. You can get a set containing both the 6-person and a 3-person tent for just $390. Bear Watch Fence. So you're wondering if a mere tent can protect you from bears? Probably not, but chill out. There's an amazing Canadian invention that's got your back. For just $241, you can snag yourself an electric fence specially designed for campers. It's similar to the ones used by farmers and beekeepers but way more compact and lightweight. This cool product can cover up an area up to 12 by 12 meters. Powering it is ridiculously easy. You can connect it to a 12-volt battery using crocodile clips, a USB power supply, or simply use 8 AA batteries. They'll last you for a whopping 43 hours. Plus, here's the kicker. This model is totally rainproof and it's so light. The common set starts at just 1.3 kilograms. The Cattle Trailer. This isn't just any tent though, it's a tent purposely built to show your vehicle some love too. Now you won't have to worry about your car being left cold and alone in the dark or getting wet in the rain while you're having a blast on your camping trip. Because this super cool tent comes with its own built-in garage, this epic tent setup stands at a roomy 3.5 meters high, giving you a vast 40 square meters of space to sleep, hang out, and believe it or not, park your car. Yes, you heard it right. You can snooze snugly right above your ride. According to the manufacturers, this tent is as simple to put up as any regular one and should only take you around 10 minutes to do so. When it's time to pack up, the tent conveniently folds to fit right into your trunk. Enjoy your next great adventure with your car right by your side. Zero Breeze Mark II AC. The air conditioner is a game changer for the camping fanatics. It can instantly lower the temperature from a sweaty 32 degrees Celsius down to a refreshing 15 degrees in just 10 minutes. What's more, it could do all that with just one charge. Expect up to 8 hours of cool comfort with this marvel, perfect for those hot summer nights. Plenty of recharging options are available for your convenience. You can even utilize the power of the sun and use solar panels linked to a cigarette socket. Whether you have a tent, a camper, or a motorhome, this air conditioner has your needs in mind. It even comes with a handy handle for easy transportation and a remote control for super simple operation. The noise level is only around 52 decibels, equivalent to the gentle sound of rain or a quiet conversation, so you can peacefully sleep or converse without any disturbances. And the best part, this fantastic set can be yours, including the battery for $1,500. Isabella Camp, Let Passion. Let's talk about this super cool tent you see in the video. It is bursting with features that the seller had to design an online tool to customize it, kind of like what you see for apartment layouts. Wouldn't say the size is regular either. It starts at 18 square meters. Sure, you might need a special trailer to lug it around, but imagine the space. It has sufficient room to comfortably sleep 6 people. It has individual bedrooms, a roomy living area, and even provides a snug microclimate. You're free to add your personal touches too. Maybe throw in some mood lighting, plush carpets, bike racks, you name it. All this could be yours for about $9,000. ucos Take Light. Did you know that the tent industry is doing incredibly well, especially the camping tent market? Believe it or not, It's valued at a whopping $2.4 billion in niche earnings. The folks making these tent stakes must feel like they've just won the lottery. Selling at $25 for a set of 4, these stakes offer insane value for their price. One standout feature is the LED lighting, which is super versatile with various modes and can keep the party going for up to 24 hours on just one AAA battery. On top of that, these stakes are crafted to be highly water resistant, boasting an impressive IPX6 rating, so even with some heavy rain pouring down, these stakes will stay strong. Each stake measures 23 centimeters in length and weighs in at 36 grams. As for the material, they're made from a robust 6000 series aluminum alloy. You'll find this tough stuff in car windows and doors. Bamoli Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. Looking to upgrade your camping adventure, battling the freezing temperatures in an icy dwelling? Look no further. We present to you our multi-purpose wood stove, your ultimate survival tool. This versatile wood stove is perfect whether you're camping outside an igloo or nestled in a regular tent. It's designed to keep you toasty while offering a unique, open-air cooking experience. This stove boasts a range of action-packed features. There's a detachable chimney for easy setup and tear down. Benefit from the convenience of extensible shelves and a firewood rack, and the extra bonus, an oven and barbecue mode. The lightweight model measures in at 6.5 kilograms. No need to worry about overpacking. Integrated features include a spark arrestor and thermometer, providing safety and accuracy in the wilderness. Once packed away, this oven fits snugly into a compact bag, making it super easy for transport and storage. This wood stove, packed full of features, function and style, is available now for $1,900. CAM.G Camping Guard. When it comes to oven cooking, it's wise to equip your tent with a carbon monoxide detector. This particular model not only syncs with Bluetooth but provides useful measurements for temperature and humidity. If temperatures plunge or humidity drops, the device will promptly send out a warning with its powerful 105 decibel alarm, as loud as an orchestra or thunder, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Power it up once and get ready for 100 hours of operation. Its lightweight of only 82 grams makes it a breeze to carry around even while hiking. You can take this versatile device anywhere, from stuffing it in your fisherman's pocket to stationing it on a shelf in your motorhome, making it perfect for all environments. All these features comes for an affordable price of $67. That brings us to the end of our video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. See you in the next video.